The Verizon Jetpack 5G Ultra, model AC795L, is the latest mobile hotspot released in early 2025. It supports MemoWave 5G technology for very fast speeds where available. In urban 5G areas, expect average download speeds of 1.5 to 2 gigabits per second, with peaks exceeding 4 gigabits per second under optimal conditions. However, speeds drop to around 100 to 200 megabits per second in suburban or rural areas. The device maintains relatively low latency, around 20 to 50 milliseconds on 5G networks. Independent reviews from PCMag and CNET in 2025 confirm these performance figures. Keep in mind that performance depends heavily on Verizon's network coverage and signal strength in your specific location. Setting up the Jetpack 5G Ultra is user-friendly, generally taking less than 5 minutes through the Verizon app. Coverage is strong in metropolitan areas due to Verizon's widespread 5G network, which covers over 95% of the U.S. population. The device supports Wi-Fi 7 for fast in-device connectivity. Key features include a compact design, an OLED display for data usage monitoring, and enhanced battery life of up to 15 hours with AI-optimized power management. It also includes security features like built-in VPN support and parental controls. Remember that using a jetpack consumes data from your Verizon cellular plan, which may be subject to throttling after a certain data cap, for example, 15 gigabytes on some unlimited plans.